Ghana fried rice and chicken is what we are preparing today. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make simple traditional Ghanaian and intercontinental recipes. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. To start with, you need to steam and fry the chicken. Hard chicken or soft chicken can be used for this recipe. So in a blender, add in some basils, green pepper or paprika, some onions, ginger, garlic, spring onions, and add in some water and blend smoothly. Now pour the blended ingredients on your washed chicken, add in some salt, some all-purpose seasoning, or you can use stock cube. Add in some chopped onions, cover and start cooking the chicken. After some time, come back and stir the chicken. Now you would want to taste for the salt and add in more if needed. Then cover once again for it to cook completely. Now once the chicken is well cooked, take all the chicken out from the pan and store it somewhere for it to cool down. After it's cooled down, fry it nicely. So using the stock of the chicken, add in your washed rice and add in more water if needed. Taste for the salt and cover the rice till it is well cooked. Once it is cooked, transfer all the rice in a different bowl to cool down very well. So the cancer of this rice was really lit. You can actually eat it like that, like and one more. It was really nice. I didn't add oil, but see the oil that is coming out from it. Make sure to fry your chicken too. Now in a pan or in a wok, add in some oil. In my case, I use the oil which I used to fry the chicken. Let it be hot and add in your eggs. So now that we are using this pan, let me acknowledge the giver of this pan, Versatile Nana. In fact, I was so much pleased. I was so much happy when she bought this directly from Ghana. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. If you are into beads, if you want to order for beads or to learn how to make beads, different things with beads, contact her and she will teach you how to make it. Now once the scrambled eggs is well cooked, take them out from the pan and add in more oil if needed. Now followed by some chopped onions, and I added in some hot pepper to give it a little spiciness and some hotness. Mix it and let it be on fire for 30 seconds. Add in some chopped cabbage and fry for a minute. Now sprinkle a little salt on it also, to give it some taste. So let me share with you some tips to store your fried rice for reheating. Number one is, after making the fried rice, make sure not to put your hand in it. If you put your hand in it, make sure to heat it before storing it. And secondly, make sure to put the leftover in the refrigerator, and in the morning pour it in a pan and reheat it. Now the third point I would give is, for me, I store my fried rice for at least 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator. That is to ask whether how long you can store your fried rice in the refrigerator. Now add in the remaining vegetables and the spices I'm using for this fried rice as some black pepper, some cumin powder, some white pepper, and some garlic powder. Feel free to use any spices that you want. So I got a question from a friend asking me, can basmati rice be used in making fried rice? Of course, yes. Any type of rice can be used in making fried rice, provided you cook your rice in a perfect way. You understand? You can use broken rice, you can use yasmin. In fact, you can even use tujimi to make your fried rice, or the natural Ghana rice you can use in making your fried rice. Now at this point, add in your cold rice and add in your soy sauce. Now in my case, I use light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, and some oyster sauce to make, oyster sauce has a really good flavor and some taste. It adds some taste to your fried rice. Now if you want a very dark fried rice, add in more of the dark soy sauce, or you can do away with the light soy sauce and add in more of the dark one. Hey yummy, if you are new to this channel, welcome to my kitchen where I share cooking and baking recipes, both home and continental. I will be glad if we become friends. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let me know in the comment section you too was here some. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. You know how we do it, right? Like and share this video and share it to all your social media platforms. After some time, add in your scrambled egg and stir to mix. Sometimes making simple recipes of simple food tastes the best, and this fried rice is the best. Trust me, it tastes really, really, really good. So at this point, you want to leave the fried rice on fire for, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes, but make sure to be stirring occasionally to avoid it from burning. I do have other Ghanaian recipes on this channel, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video, but before I leave you, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Cheers!